Hi guys, happy Saturday. On today's video, I just wanted to give you an update of what's been going on in my life. I have not forgotten about my YouTube videos. I am still here. Nizzy Naps is still here. And even that boy. You see that boy? Where that boy at? There he is. Hey boy. Nico. Say hi. So, what's been going on with me lately? I have been still updating the house a little bit, giving it a refresh with paint and some little bit of decorations. And I just recently got all my computers updated to Windows 11. And when I did that, they found viruses, and I went to the Geek Squad, Best Buy. They got all the viruses out and gave me Windows 11 and gave me a refresh on the computer. And they wiped away all of my stuff that required me, that helped me edit my videos. So I have to re-download that stuff back into my computer. Now, not only that, my software that I had for my editing software was old, which means I'm gonna have to buy new software because I don't know, possibly I may have to buy new software because Windows 11 may not be compatible to my old software. You know, everything about this world is about money, money, money. And when Windows said we're gonna make Windows 10 obsolete on October 14th, 2025. We want you to spend some more money, and we want you to spend the money with us. No, thankfully, I have the Geek Squad, what's it called? Geek Squad Protection Plan, and I was able to upgrade to Windows 11 with no cost. But that's like, how much I paid last year? 140? I don't know how much I paid last year. Like 150? I don't remember. But my protection covers all of my computers, my cell phone, and you know, stuff that's digital. And thankfully I had that. But the thing is, now that I upgraded to Windows 11, I don't know if my old software will match it. So do I buy more software? Or do I just make cell phone videos and just say, you know what, that's what everybody else doing today. You don't need all that editing stuff. So we'll see. But I'm gonna have to go downstairs into my basement, put my office back together because I had to take the computer. I had to take all three computers. Actually, all four computers. No, three. To the Geek Squad so they can do a diagnostic test and get it up to par. One of my laptops can't handle Windows 11. So that's the laptop that I use for my YouTube videos. This little guy right here. This little guy right here. This baby. Yeah, I can't use her after October 14th unless I want a virus. She can't handle Windows 11. This is the one that goes in my kitchen. And the other one right here, this is my gaming laptop. And then I got a gaming desktop in my truck, in my SUVs. I have to get that out and put it back in the basement. And I'm like, why am I spending all this money on this stuff? I don't even know if I even want to really post videos anymore. But I needed to get the computers up to par. So I did do a refresh on I got some new paint in my office. Got some decorations in there, and so it was looking nice until I had to unplug everything and go to Best Buy. So I got to put that back. I got some more paint so I can paint the basement. I mean, it's like a never-ending story. However, guys, you're not gonna believe this. I am almost finished with my house as far as bringing it up, you know, doing a refresh. Because I'm not spending a lot of money on remodeling and stuff like that. I'm doing a lot of just refreshing, painting, and new artwork and stuff like that. But what does that mean for me and you? So, since I am getting things in order, I feel more closer to being a YouTuber again. I feel like I can, you know, start posting videos like I'm supposed to. I for some reason, for these last 5 years, actually, really 4 or 5 years since I retired from my job in 2020, it felt like I couldn't move forward with doing other stuff until I got my house up to par. And it's going on 3 years. I gave myself a 3-year time limit to have my house the way I want it. So I'm actually on schedule because I did a lot of decluttering, a lot of throwing away. And so since I've been doing those things, guys, I'm feeling better. I feel better. I've been wearing my little earrings and stuff. And I feel refreshed. It felt like I was just stagnant, like, but I really do believe it had some I think the downfall started when Shay Shay died. My dog. She got killed in front of my house she got ran over by a tractor trailer. And it just seemed like since then, I was stuck. And I couldn't move forward. I couldn't breathe or something. But now, and then my uncle passed away in 2023. And then my friend died last year in May in 2024. So all that just made me feel like, but I'm still moving forward. And I feel refreshed and I feel reborn. So my little cousin came over here and he painted my bathroom for me and he painted the rest of my office for me. So I'm getting to a place where I can breathe and I can move on. And I'm down like 15 pounds. I might be down a little bit more than that because I don't eat out like I used to. Guys, let me tell you this real quick. So last weekend, my friend said, I'm gonna bring you something to eat. What you want? I said some Red Lobster. So I had ordered the lobster stuffed mushrooms. And I had ordered some type of pasta dish. And she just picked it up for me and brought it to me. Guys, let me tell you, when my tongue touched those shrooms, when I tell you it was salty to damnation, I was like, ew, this is so salty. And my pasta wasn't that salty, but it was salty, but not like my shrooms were. Both of the dishes were salty. But that's because I have a different palate. I've been eating at home. I don't buy food out like that anymore. I have been like buying like Subway sandwiches, but they don't have their food is not salty. And I don't add salt like that. Who that boy? You gotta go check out the scene. And so I guess my taste buds has changed. That I can't eat all that salty stuff because I've been cooking at home like every day. And so since then, I've lost a few extra pounds. And I'm not so fluffy in the face. I'm still fluffy though. I still got a round face. But I'm not so bloated and fluffy. So it's amazing how when you don't eat all this stuff like you used to, when drinking all those dark sodas, all the sweet drinks. I still drink something sweet? Yeah, but I make it at home, make my own lemonade. If I do have a soda pop, which is not often, it's a white soda. It's not the dark sodas. It's not coffee. I don't drink coffee anymore. So I'm looking at myself. I'm like, girl, you don't even look so chunky like you were and bloated. And I feel better. So I'm in a different headspace. So that makes me more motivated to get back into my post and my video. So a lot of you guys, if you have never seen me before, I used to be the greasy baby of YouTube. Everything I talked about was about hair grease. And my channel was popping. Well, life happens, and then I didn't want to do that stuff anymore. But now I'm getting back to where I do. But you want to talk about my hair though? Let's talk about some locks. Baby, I'm a wolf. I am a wolf. Look at the new growth. And I got a baby up here. She just keeps sticking up in the air. Like she giving somebody the middle finger. So I started my locks off 4 years ago with long hair. And I'm considered a mature lockhead. But I got a baby up here. The baby won't act right. But she is getting longer and longer. I have to pin her down with a hairpin. So I'll be retwisting my hair soon. If you want to see that, some of it. It's hard for me to retwist on video. If you want to see me do something to my hair, just go and subscribe. If you want to just hear me talking about anything randomly, just go and subscribe. If you don't even like me, go and subscribe. Because I'll be back in your feed one day on a regular basis. So you just continue to not like me. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I just bought some more paint for the basement. Now, I got to go in my SUV, go get the paint out there, and get my editing computer out of that trunk too. Out of the hatch, rather. Take it downstairs. I need to plug up everything. And what else I gotta do? Yeah, I gotta do that so I can start my life with the YouTube. Cause when I come back to YouTube, I'm coming back like maybe once or twice a week like I used to. So, but lately I haven't been posting as much. Guys, I've been following a lot of Nico. Stop it. I've been watching a lot of. Hey, see what I'm saying? Disobedient mutt face. What is it? What you want me to see? Oh, you barking at that boy. Oh, okay. He shouldn't be walking on your set like that. I get it. You a good boy? Speak. What was I saying? So, yeah, we're gonna start doing some little hair videos, and I just gotta get my life in order, guys. So I just wanted to pop up and tell you what my life is like. Yeah, I was a greasy baby girl. Look at that there. Look at that hair. It looked like she's giving like a salute or a middle finger. Oh, but they're like two horns on it. That's not nice. So I know you guys probably saying, well, Naz, we tired of hearing you saying what you're gonna do, but you ain't did it yet. But that's because I'm almost there, guys. I'm gonna start posting videos like I used to. I promise you I am. I'm feeling fresh, but I gotta figure out about my software on my computer. Every time I get ahead, there's always a bump in the road. Always. Like, you can't go forward. Well, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. I'm getting there though. I can't wait to hit the gym and go to the park like I used to. So, look at my little studio. There she go. There she go. So my my laptop that's over there supposed to be over here. My little ring light and stuff. What's going on? Nothing. Can't wait to get in the gym. It's hot here in St. Louis. It's like 100 degrees. And that's it. So anyway, like I said, if my software situation doesn't work out, well, I might have to just, I don't know, just post regular standard baby cell phone videos, which are not exciting. Oh, I'm tired of spending my damn money. Oh, I know what I was telling you guys. I've been watching a lot of financial videos. I've been into finances really heavy. But I've always been into financing though. I've always been into financing. But I've been watching the economy and hearing about what's going on around the world as far as finances. And baby, everything costs a lot of money. And you gotta bring in more money, guys. I know I do. If you ain't got no money, you ain't got no job, you're gonna be in trouble. You gotta have some money. Even if it's just a little bit, have some money. But the way it's set up, even a little bit of money is not enough. They really want us to start living with each other. They really want us to start living with each other again. Who wants to live with each other? But it's getting to the point we're gonna have to live with each other. So I ain't talking about nothing. Just want to say hi. I'm still alive. And I might see you tomorrow. Who knows? I might see you tonight. I might see you in a few minutes. Because I feel good. I feel good, guys. All right. The boy's eating. That's the noise you hear. He's eating. He's got to make some kind of noise because his mama on the phone talking to somebody. So subscribe if you like me, if you like these kind of videos. I know this video is boring. I'm like, girl, your video's been boring lately. That's because I'm boring. I'm not that exciting anymore. My little videos used to do pretty well back in the day, but it's just gonna take me some time to get there again, but I'm getting closer to it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.